Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite using Xbox Cloud Gaming. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection and a Microsoft account. You won't need to download the game, as it streams directly to your device. Just make sure your device is compatible, like a phone, tablet, or computer, and you're ready to begin your cloud gaming adventure with Fortnite. To get the best experience, you'll need a compatible device such as a smartphone, tablet, or PC. A strong internet connection, ideally 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a wired connection, is crucial for smooth gameplay. You can use an Xbox wireless controller, connected via Bluetooth, or many other compatible Bluetooth controllers to navigate and play Fortnite seamlessly. Once your setup is ready, open your web browser and go to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website, or use the Xbox app on your device. Log in with your Microsoft account, then simply find Fortnite in the game library. Click on it, and the game will begin streaming almost instantly, allowing you to jump into the action without any lengthy downloads or installations. For an optimal experience, try closing any background applications that might consume bandwidth. While cloud gaming is fantastic, a slight input delay, often less than 100 milliseconds, can sometimes occur, so a fast connection helps. Remember, you're streaming the game, so no storage space is needed on your device. Enjoy playing Fortnite anywhere, anytime, with the power of the cloud.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.